Hey guys, new style of video. But here we go. We're testing out this one. We are going to be factoring out some fractions. So our first example here is we want to factor 1/2 out of 1/2 x plus 3/2. So if you remember from our last video, this means that we are going to be pulling 1/2 out of each term inside of our parentheses. And that means we are dividing. When we pull that number out, we are dividing. So we're going to take 1/2 out. That means we're dividing this whole term by 1/2, and we're dividing this whole term by 1/2. Now we're dealing with fractions, right? So we might want to rewrite this a little bit so that it makes it easier for us to divide by a fraction. So we're going to take the 1/2 x divided by 1/2. 1/2 x divided by 1/2. Okay, now if you remember how to divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal, right? We're going to keep, change, flip, multiply by the reciprocal. That means we're going to have 1/2 x times the reciprocal, which is 2 over 1. When we take the reciprocal, we flip that fraction. Now we're multiplying fractions. How do we multiply fractions? Straight across, right? You guys know that. Straight across. This x is going to stay right where it is, pretty much. Okay? We're still going to have x's, but now it's like how many x's? 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 over 2x is the same thing as 1x, right? So this 1/2 x divided by 1/2 is going to be 1x. I'll write that in blue right here. 1x. That's what that is. And then we have positive 3/2 divided by 1/2. I'm going to put that over here, I guess. So we're going to have 3/2 divided by 1/2. When we divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. Bingo! Bada bing, bada boom. 3/2, division becomes multiplication. We take the reciprocal of that second guy, becomes 2 over 1. Then we've got to multiply these fractions. Multiply fractions means we go straight across. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. 6 over 2. Can that be reduced? Are we done? No, it can be reduced, right? 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3, or 3 over 1, right? So then we're going to take that 3, and I'm going to put it underneath here. That's what that was. There was a plus sign. It's a positive 3. And that's what's left after we divide, right? What am I missing? Think about it. Answer me. I know you're answering me. What are we missing? What are we missing? We are missing the 1/2 that goes out here. We divided by that 1/2, so we need to put it back in here. We need to put it back as multiplication, or else our answer is going to be completely different, right? All right, so now we can use the distributive property to check our work, see if this actually is the correct answer, which means we're distributing the 1/2 here and the 1/2 over here, which is going to give us a solid 1/2 times 1x plus 1/2 times 3. 1/2 times 1x, this is like 1x over 1. So we're going to have 1x over 2 plus 1/2 times 3. This is 1/2 times 3 over 1, which is going to give us 3 over 2. Now we have to see, is this what we started with? 1x over 2 plus 3/2. Well, it looks a bit different, right? Because we had 1/2 x, and now we have 1x over 2. But if you remember, go back into your notes and look, We talked